Hey everybody, Dave Johnson with the Leadership Minute. The distance between a good leader and a great one is about 12 inches. That's it. You'd think that with such a small gap, we'd have far more truly exceptional leaders. But that 12 inches, the distance between your head and your heart, is where most leaders get stuck and where enormous amounts of potential quietly go to waste. See, I talk to leaders every day. It becomes very clear to me pretty quickly who's made that journey and who's not. Their teams outperform. Their teams stay longer. They bring more of themselves to work. And the leader, he's more settled, more self-assured, and more trusted. Something's different about him. And that something is not IQ. It's not strategy. It's not credentials. It's the ability to genuinely care about the people they lead. These leaders have figured out something that sounds simple, but costs everything to actually live. They're leading people, not managing assets. And until that truth travels from your head down to your heart, it will never become a part of your culture. See, the leader who can balance intellect with empathy, who connects not just through directives, but through genuine understanding, builds something that strategy alone never can. And that's trust. And trust is the foundation everything else is built on. People are drawn to authenticity. They're drawn to leaders who see them, not just what they produce. When your people feel genuinely valued, not just as performers, but as individuals with unique perspectives, real needs, and real lives, they respond with energy and ownership that no incentive program can manufacture. And when they believe their leader actually cares about them, they open up. They share ideas. They take risks for the team without fear of being made an example of when they fall short. Now contrast that with a team led by someone that has no empathy, someone who has never earned any social capital with his team, never built trust, never given people the freedom to be wrong. Creativity dies in that environment. Initiative dies. You end up with warriors who are not allowed to fight in a battlefield full of people just trying to survive their leader. That's not a team. That is a drain on every resource you have. And I want to be clear, leading with empathy is not the absence of accountability. It's the opposite. When people know the standards, believe the playing field is level, and understand that honest mistakes are part of the journey rather than a career-ending event, they're unleashed. They bring the very creativity and drive that you've been trying to unlock with every process and program in your company that never quite delivered. You change the way you see people around you, and you change the way they see you. You stop being just the boss. You become the reason people do their best work. You become the catalyst for a growth that no one could have ever predicted, and a pivotal figure in the lives that extends far beyond any org chart that they have. 12 inches, head to heart. Make the journey. Now go make a difference.